Hi, I'm Adam Da Silva and I'm doing duck done easy for catering, and this is my coconut and soy braised duck Maryland. Start with our marinade, very important. It's light soy sauce, has to be light soy sauce, sugar and white pepper, and that sugar and soy has to be balanced. Mix it together, the sugar dissolves, then we place the duck legs in the marinade, skin side down, most important. That way the marinade marinates the skin. So minimum 24 hours. Anything more than that will start to cure them. There you go. Once you've done that, we go to the braising part. So we've got a tray here, we put some coconut milk in it, and we've got some beautiful aromats of like chili, lemongrass, ginger, Thai basil stalks, kaffir lime, all these beautiful, lovely aromats. So we'll place all that into a tray. So we put the duck legs in there, skin side up. So first you were skin side down in the marinade, now you're skin side up for the braising. Put them up like that. Don't worry, you can put them nice and snug so you can fit a lot in a tray because they do shrink. And then we bake it at 140 degrees for about an hour and a half. And you'll see it become nice and golden and mahogany coloured, just like Peking duck. So while the duck's in the oven, we get the pumpkin ready. So you can use any type of pumpkin. I'm using a Japanese style pumpkin here because I like it's nice and sweet and juicy. Skin on, nice chunks. And we've got some nice slices of ginger there for more aromatic flavour. Olive oil, salt, pepper on a tray and in the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's nice and golden. So duck's out, pumpkin's out, now it's time to plate up. We've got a nice duck leg, put in the plate, some pumpkin on the side, and then we use all that beautiful braising liquid. It's got the coconut, the kaffir lime, the lemongrass, the ginger, the chili, and it's a sauce in itself. And that is how you get a beautiful, easy catering dish for hundreds.